Ever end your day with a massive to-do list and realize you've barely checked off anything? The problem isn't your effort, it's your list. Today, I'll show you how the 3-item to-do list can help you finally get things done. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to use this minimalist system to cut through overwhelm, focus on what really matters, and actually finish your day with a sense of accomplishment. Welcome to Minimalist Habits, where we help you do more by doing less. Why traditional to-do lists fail. A long to-do list looks productive, but it's really a trap. It creates endless decision fatigue, makes every task feel equally important, and leaves you with unfinished work at the end of the day. The truth is, most of those tasks don't even move the needle forward. The power of the 3-item to-do list. Instead of writing down 20 things, you choose the 3 most important tasks for your day. These are your MITs, most important tasks. The rule is simple. If you only finished these 3, your day would still feel successful. How to build your 3-item list. Here's how to make it work. Write tomorrow's list the night before. This gives your brain a head start. Pick tasks that are specific and action-oriented. For example, write 500 words instead of work on project. If you have essays or assignments to complete and hand in, you should really give this one a shot. When I had to write 2,000 to 4,000 word essays, splitting them up into bite-sized pieces of 500 words allowed me to be so much more productive and avoid burnout. Place the hardest or most important task first. This is your non-negotiable. What about everything else? You might be thinking, but what about the other 20 tasks? The answer? Put them on a secondary list. These are nice to-dos, not must-dos. If you finish your 3 items early, you can pull from that secondary list, but your success doesn't depend on it. And more importantly, this list should only be tackled once you have completed your 3 items on your main list. Why this works long-term. Over time, this system forces clarity. You stop chasing low-value tasks and focus only on what really matters. And the best part? You end each day with 3 big wins instead of 20 unfinished tasks. Quick recap. Traditional to-do lists overwhelm you. The 3-item list focuses your attention. Write it the night before, make tasks specific, and tackle the hardest one first. Try it tomorrow and see how different your day feels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button for more minimalist productivity tips.